Hey guys, someone had asked the question in one of my groups on how to change the color of your waveform in Adobe Audition. It's super easy. Let me show you how to do it real quick. Okay. So, first, obviously, you're in Adobe Audition. You come up here to Edit, down to Preferences. And then if you go to Appearance, you can change it right here. This first one would be the color of your actual waveform. You can change the background color of what you're looking at here of the waveform. Any kind of, when you make a selection of a piece of your audio file, this would be the color of that. You can change the color of your playhead, your cue markers, your subclip markers. There's all kinds of ways to customize this and make this fun. If you think about it, we're staring at these things for a good chunk of the day, so you might as well make it fun. I go for my brand colors, of course, red and black, but choose what you like and have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.